Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you reed diffusers versus electric coil diffusers. Which one is best for you? Let's look in the video. Here you can see I am in the official website of Reddit where the people provide their opinion regarding this. As you can see, one people says that reed diffuser will not permeate the room. Really, and I don't think they would do so. And I don't think they would do as good of a job as an electric diffuser, especially a large space. I run my diffuser all the time and love it. I think reed diffuser better for bathrooms, but even then, they tend to smell good for a few days and evaporate pretty quickly. And another people says that it depends what you want it to do. Electric diffuser are good in you can turn them on and off and get the aromas exactly when you want them. Reed diffuser are good for a constant low level effect, set and forget type situation. Most essential oils are easier to use with electric diffusers and water. For reed you need to figure out how to make an alcohol-based solution, which I am yet to master. As you can see, these are the reviews provided by the peoples regarding this. Please read these reviews very carefully. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.